Steel University collaborated with World Auto Steel to bring Design Advisor to life. It is a tool to help engineers assess the lifetime carbon footprint of vehicle design choices. Users can simulate modifications to vehicles in terms of component mass, material selection, and other variables, analyzing the advantages and disadvantages of these decisions in terms of cost and CO2 footprint from production through use and recycling of the vehicle. The user defines a nominal vehicle and introduces changes to one or more components, obtaining a comparison summary and detailed results. The user can also perform a sensitivity analysis to verify the effect of design changes. This allows the user to understand opportunities to improve the design. Design Advisor delivers easy-to-use modeling of economic and environmental performance for automotive design, demonstrating how steel remains a material of choice for current and future vehicles.